So hello student. So today in this video I will start innings 10. So here in innings 10 we have to use this word congruence. So what is the meaning of this word congruent? Sometimes it is called congruence or sometimes it is called congruent. So congruent means objects having same shape and size. Same shape and size. Now I will give you some explain. Suppose your textbook and your notebook are congruent, or here you can write is a triangle. These two triangles are congruent because their shape and size are same. But this triangle and these circles, these two are not congruent. Only these two triangles are congruent because they have same size and same object. Now I will show you how to use this concept of congruence while solving 10.1. Now look at question number 1. Find which pairs are not congruent. Give reasons. So now you take question number A. Now here two triangles are given. First you match their sides 3 cm, 3 cm same, 5 cm, 5 cm same, and 4 cm, 4 cm same. That means between these two triangles all the three sides are same. So question number A will be congruent. But now look here, 5 cm, 5 cm, but here breadth is 3 cm in the first rectangle, and in the second rectangle breadth is 1 cm. That means these two shapes are not congruent because their breadth is different. The reason is that the breadth is different. Here also. Now look here, how many between these two shapes? Here, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here number of boxes are same, but their shape is different. This is the shape of plus sign, and this is the shape of a Z. So that's why question number B and C are not congruent. Here the reason is that breadths are different and here shapes are different. Congruence. Now in question number 2, which of the following pairs of figure are congruent? So question number A will be congruent. See, both the sides are same, but here this one also congruent. But question number B is not congruent because here one circle is bigger and another circle is smaller. But look here both the shapes are same. Here also both the shape and size are same, but here sizes are different. There is one small circle and one big circle. So that's why B is not congruent. Only A and C are congruent. Now I will solve question number 3. Now you take question number 3. In a question number 3, triangle PRS. Sorry, I have written. This is the symbol of congruence. Triangle PRS is congruent to triangle HMT. That means these two triangles are same. Their shape and size are same. So first you draw two triangles. Name PRS and name of this triangle will be HMT. Congruence means their shape and sizes are same. So HT is this side. So HT will be equal to PS. Now what will be B? Angle M. This angle M will be equal to angle R. Their corresponding sides will be equal. Then angle T. Angle T will be equal to angle S. And the last question, HM. This side. HM will be equal to PR. BUD. Now I will do question number 4. This shape is given. B, C, D A Z Y X. Z Y X. This is Y. So here X Y Z angles are same. Angle congruent to BOD. Which one will be congruent to angle BOD? I will write here. So we have to find congruence of angle BOD. BOD. Here I am writing the answer. Now look here. First you search here BOD. BOD. That means in BOD there is two angle BOD. BOD. Y and Z. See, angle BOD consists of two smaller angle Y and Z. BOD. BOD. Y plus Z. So, and congruence of angle BOD will also contain two angle. So you can write, see, BOD already BOD already contain Y and Z. So you can take Y and X here. Y and X, so it will be A O C. See, in A O C, how many angles are there? Small angle X and Y. In BOD also two angle Y and Z, and in the AOC also there is two angle X and Y. So this is your answer. Now question number 5. I will do question number 5. True or false? See, two equate angles are always congruent. Equate angle means always smaller than 90 degrees. So smaller than 90 degree means that will be your 30, and you can write 60 also. See, these two are equate angle, but these two are not equal. So question number A will be false. Two equate angles cannot be congruent always. So answer will be false. Now B. Two equilateral triangles are always congruent. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal. Yes, but here in this equilateral triangle you can take all the three sides to be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. But this is also a equilateral triangle. Here you can take each side to be suppose 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now look here. Both these triangles are equilateral triangle, but their sizes are not equal. See, here sides are 3 centimeter, but here sides are 5 centimeter. So question number B also false. So B will be false. Yes, false. Now question number C. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are equal. Yes, true. Why this is true? Because this one we have already done in question number 3. In question number 3 we have already done. It means if two triangles are congruent, their sides are equal, and also three angles are also equal. So that's why it will be true. Question number C, true. Question number D. If two circles have same radii, then they are congruent. Yes. Now you draw two circles such that their radius are same. Suppose this radius is 2 centimeter. Here also you have to take 2 centimeter. Here, if you look at both the radius same, that means size of both the circle will be same. So answer will be true. See, both the circles look same. Radius is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So answer will be true. If two circles have common center, so suppose this is your center. So with this center you can draw two circles with different radius. Suppose this is one circle, and you can draw another circle. Now look here. Here the size of both the circles are not same. See, their centers are equal, same, but their radius is different. Suppose here 2 centimeter, but this radius is bigger, 4 centimeter. So these two circles are not congruent. So answer will be false. So This question we have already done in here. Question number 2b. This figure is not congruent, and this one also. Question number 5e also same. This figure is not congruent. I hope you have understood my explanation.